Okay, so now we continue for the second part in lecture 10. It's about types of marketing strategies. So we have two types in marketing strategy. The first type is business to business, and the second type is business to consumer. So B2B and B2C. Okay, these are the two main types in marketing strategy. So what the meaning behind B2B and B2C? So let's find out. Okay, so business to business marketing strategy is actually involved with exchange of good and service between two or more other business. Okay, so here it said that involved with exchange of good and service between two or more other businesses, which means business with business. Okay, business to business is a form of transaction between businesses. Okay, such as one involving a manufacturer and wholesaler or wholesaler or a wholesaler and retailer. So business to business, it's not direct to the consumer. Okay, that is how you can explain about B2B. Okay, so in other sense, so business to business refer to business that is conducted between companies rather than between a company and consumer. So usually this concept, okay, this strategy, business, okay, business sell the product to another business. Okay, so like I said, it's just from the farmer to manufacturer. Okay, that is business to business because after the manufacturer will process the product first and then before it sell to the consumer. Okay, so that the farmers to manufacturer we call it as a business to business. Okay, so usually business to business, the value of business to business transaction is significantly higher than the business to consumer. I will explain it why. Why business to business will, for me, it is transaction is significantly higher than the business to consumer. Okay, I will explain after you learn about what is business to consumer. All right. So here, the consumer usually isn't involved in this type of strategies and come into play only at a later stage. Okay, so for business to business strategy, okay, for example, I have a company and I have to decide, okay, because I want to start a company, and then I know that my product is suitable for business only. It's not suitable for consumer. For example, like uniform. Okay, I give example for uniform. I produce uniform for military. Okay, that is how this concept is works. Okay, so like for example, like I give the example just now, I produce a uniform and then I will deal with the military services. Okay, I will produce uniform, military uniform, and I will sell at the government. For example, like if I have the tender. Okay, so usually customer or people out there cannot buy the military form, okay, uniform. All right. So both the businesses benefit from each other in some way, yes, because of once I sell the product to the business to another business, and the other business will produce another one, make it into something else, and then sell to customer. Okay. So both businesses have their own benefits. Okay, like here I give the example of selling raw material to other business and manufacturer to any product. So farmer to wholesaler, farmer to manufacturer, which means for a very simple example is I give the farmer produce chili, okay, chili, and then the manufacturer buy the chilies from the farmer, and the manufacturer will process the chili and make it chili sauce. Okay, that is how business to business works. So there is a strategy, one type of strategy, marketing strategy. So before you start the business, you should know what kind of product you want to produce and what type of concept this marketing strategy do you want to use. Is it you want to use B2B or you want to use B2C? Okay, now let's find out what is B2C. Okay, B2C is business to consumer, as you know, and involve directly sell to the consumer. It directly sell to the consumer. So like the end product that come from the supplier or from the seller will come right to the consumer. Okay, without any middleman. That one because of you are producer and then sell the you sell the product. Okay, invest advertising to reach more crowd, and then for example, yeah, you have to give a lot of strategy in terms of advertise your product so that people will know your product and buy your product. Okay, so enhancing existing relationship with customers and improving customer loyalty. Okay, for example, I give you the farm fresh, here I give you the farm fresh and selling flowers and fruit. Okay, farm fresh, for example, if they are selling in Tesco, like Jaya Grocer, for example, like that, so it use the middleman. Okay, it's not direct to consumer. But if the farm fresh selling at their own kiosk, okay, so and customer buy directly from the kiosk, so that one we call it as a business to consumer. But if you can see, the second example is selling flowers and fruits. So if I'm selling and I'm produce, I have a farm, fruits farm, and then I have a flower farm. So I will start selling direct to the consumer. Okay, so that one is business to consumer. Okay, so I think it's not that really difficult to distinguish between um, B2C and B2B. Okay, so okay, why I'm saying that, okay, refer back to the B2B. Why I'm saying that the value of business to business is more significantly higher than significantly higher than B2C because of, okay, I give you example like this one. Okay, because of businesses are more likely to purchase higher price goods and services. I mean, when we sell something at business, okay, at other business, so that business will buy more massive volume compared to consumer. For example, I give you a bicycle manufacturer. Okay, a bicycle manufacturer will purchase a lot of bicycle tires. Okay, a lot of bicycle tires. Then the consumer. Okay, because some consumer will buy the whole bicycle, one complete bicycle, but the bicycle manufacturer will buy a lot of what I said just now as bicycle tires. Okay, that one is for example. Another example I can give you is coffee manufacturer. Coffee manufacturer will buy a massive industrial bean grinder to process the coffee instead of when we sell the coffee direct to the customer or something like that. Okay, so that one, that is how I explain why business to business is significantly higher compared to, I mean, the value of transaction. Okay, the value of transaction is significantly higher compared to business to consumer. All right, so I think that's all for B2B and B2C. I hope you can distinguish between these two concepts, B2B and B2C. Okay, so it's very easy because of you can distinguish B2B, we are business sell to the business, and B2C business sell to the consumer, direct to the consumer, right? So that's all. You can see the references here, and then if you have questions, you can ask your lecturers. Thank you. Have a good day.